Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Ultra underwater. This incredible device is designed for aquatic adventures, offering water resistance up to 100 meters. It's perfect for recreational diving down to 40 meters, making it a reliable companion for many water sports. You can easily track your dives and monitor crucial environmental data directly from your wrist, ensuring a safer and more informed experience. Before you take the plunge, a quick check ensures optimal performance. First, make sure your Apple Watch Ultra is clean and clear of any debris that could affect its sensors. Next, confirm that the Depth app is set to activate automatically when submerged, so you don't miss any data. Finally, it's a good idea to enable water lock to prevent any unintended interactions with the screen while you're enjoying your time in the water. Once you're in the water, your Apple Watch Ultra takes over seamlessly. The Depth app automatically springs to life when you descend just 1 meter, displaying your current depth, water temperature, and how long you've been submerged. This real-time information is invaluable for monitoring your dive. Remember, the customizable action button can be set to quickly start a dive or access other essential features, making your underwater navigation effortless. After your underwater adventure, proper care extends the life of your Apple Watch Ultra. Always rinse the watch thoroughly with fresh water to remove any salt, chlorine, or debris. Then, gently dry it with a soft, lint-free cloth to prevent water spots. Don't forget to use the water lock feature to eject any remaining water from the speaker and microphone, ensuring clear audio and optimal functionality for your next aquatic journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.